using 1/2 inch wire fencing, 2 pieces of 3/4 smurf, zip ties, and something to cut. This the tip of the zip tie. Now what you want to do is you want to start right in the corner and leave at least 2 inches of 3/4 smurf sticking out, so it's just easier to work with. And you want to put the zip tie in between the 3rd hole and the 2nd hole. You don't want to use the last one, so that it's sturdier and you don't have to have any issues later on when you're rolling the sifter. And you're gonna go all the way around. About every 6 inches you want to put a zip tie. If you feel like you need more zip ties, feel free to put more. It doesn't hurt. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Also leave a little bit sticking out just so it's easier to work with. And start right in the beginning of it. And just go all the way around. This is the way it should look. Make sure you leave the zip tie end looking up, just so it doesn't get in the way when you're rolling the sifter. The next part is putting a 1/2 inch or 3/4 piece of PVC pipe right in between the end of that joint, just so you don't get any mulch stuck in that part, and it gives it support as well. Now it's time to start removing the end parts of the zip ties. Now you can start pushing all of the end pieces towards the inside part, just to get it out of the way. Now this part of the project, I'm just trying to make sure the sifter doesn't go right through the 2 pieces of pipe. I'm using 2-inch pipe on each end. Now I know for everyone it's going to be different. I have a plastic wheelbarrow, so it's easy for me to customize it. For you, it might be a little different. Maybe you want to not screw it in first and see if it's going to work for you. So there is a very cheap, light sifter. Anyone can turn that thing. It's very light. It works very good for small projects. I'm very happy with it because it's, you know, easy, and I could build it up in, you know, very little time. Now you want to make sure the sifter is a little bit right under that lip of the wheelbarrow, just so it doesn't slide out. It's very important. It doesn't have to be very tight, just enough so that it doesn't come out. I hope this video gave you some ideas or just how to get started with a sifter, what works for you in your garden. I'm very happy with this project. It came out nice. Didn't require a lot of material, a lot of money. I just needed something real quick, and I was happy with the outcome of it. I wanted to share it to you. If I come up with something better, I'll be sure to post it on YouTube and share it with you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Say hello to my little friend.